It is another beautiful day out. It is about probably sunset. Well, it's getting close to sunset. I want to go check out maybe a river. We're gonna go check out a river. So we're gonna check it out. I want to see if I can access the river, and if I can, I'm gonna go explore the river. That's where I need to go right there. I think that's what I'll do. This is where I wanted to go. Alright. I'm gonna try to park my scooter. Yeah, it looks like I can get down there. Let's head down. I don't know if I can get my scooter down there though. So I guess we're just gonna park it here. Alright, we're going in. Wow. We're at the river. I need to watch my step. It's really rocky here. I think I could probably get my scooter down here. Just it's not good for these rocks. I actually brought a flashlight too. Just so I can see. What the? It's a butterfly. Okay, this light is not bright at all. Look at that. That's beautiful. So we're under the bridge right now. We got graffiti. There's probably a bunch of spiders. Yeah, I just saw something zip by. Hey, this is pretty cool. Cool stuff. I want to try to cross here. I don't know if I could. I'm gonna cross not here. Okay. I don't know if I should cross there. I'm gonna try to cross here. Come on. Got it. Hey! Okay, we crossed. I could probably take my scooter down here, but the water. That's my one concern. We're in someone's backyard. I want to find something cool. Maybe we'll head over there. Alright, let's cross back on this side. Fuck. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I almost saw right there. There's a lot of cyclists out today. It's pretty busy. I'm gonna see if I can find anything new today. Oh, it's a cat, bro. It's a stray. Yo, it's a little kitty cat, bro. It's a kitten. Damn, that's crazy. Who just leaves their cat out like that? I feel bad for strays, but I guess that's nature. They don't have an easy life like some cats. This is just beautiful, bro. I can't get over the beauty here. Amazing beauty. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got bumps. Alright, I've not gone this way at all. This is new to me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Now there is a bike lane I could use. But like, even though there's a bike lane, I still don't like being on the road. Some guys can't even see you. So it's kind of like, what the hell? They really gotta like trim these trees, bro. I just can't get over the fact that these trees aren't trimmed. You're gonna make a walking path, but the trees just smack you wherever you go. It's like, what the hell, bro? Yeah, there's just a big drop right there. Yeah, I'm hopping on the bike lane, I think. Why is the tree not trimmed on the sidewalk? And the roots, like they planted the tree right next to the sidewalk, and the roots are just like smacking you in the ass. But hey, whatever, I'm probably just yapping right now. Alright, we're gonna make a right here. What the hell, where am I? This is a crazy neighborhood. They got their own personal church. Look at that house. Wow. Yeah, no, I'm in the suburbs now. Narrow Bridge 20. Yeah, sure. Oh, here's the golf club. So many golf areas, like, bro. Oh, shit. Ugh. I don't like bumps, bro. Oh, mother. Okay. These bumps are just too devious, bro. My wheels are too tiny for this. Oh, boy. Oh, we got a nice little hop up for me. Yeah, I don't think I like the sidewalk. It's just way too bumpy. Oh, we got Rich McGee, though. So we're gonna hop on the sidewalk here. Oh. There's a balloon. Oh, it's a ball. Green ball just sitting out. Alright, we're gonna hop on the sidewalk. I don't like that. What the hell, bro? Trim your tree, for real. Like, trim your tree, bro. How do you expect me to walk? Where did I come from? Let's check out this way. Oh, wait. I know where I am. I was here before. I know exactly where I am. So if I go up here, go down here, and then go down here. Wait, no, where the hell am I? Yeah, whatever. Alright, so there's no sidewalk on this side of the road. I'm gonna just see if I can go this way. Like, how the hell do I get out of here, bro? I'm not in a car. How do they expect me to get out of this area? I'm too poor for this area. Alright. What the fuck? I have an idea. Oh, wait. This is dual motor. I forgot I could just hop it up. Alright, this is my idea. Boom, now we're on the sidewalk. I gotta remember, there's just like, at some point of this sidewalk, there's just a big ass, like, part of it that just rises up 10 feet. And if I go too fast on that, I'll definitely crash. That's the thing about sidewalks, bro. They're never maintained. Ah, I'm gonna kick it down 2 levels. So now we're only going 15, boy. Here it is. This little sidewalk, bro. That thing would kill you if I went 35 or on that. I'm gonna need to cross traffic if I want to go there. Alright. I've resorted to sitting down. What the f is... Back on the trail. Alright, I'm sitting down again. I need to master sitting down on a scooter. My feet, like, hurt. So I just gotta sit, you know. This is actually really fucking dangerous. My hand is not on the brake. What am I even doing? Honestly, yeah, I'm gonna stand up. Hey, tell me that's not beautiful. Look at that sun. Like, what is he doing? Alright, we're gonna take a little detour. Usually I go this way. Oh, there's construction. Alright, we're gonna go down here. Because I'm curious what's down here. And we got more trees, bro. Trees are honestly my op. And the sidewalk just cuts off. Nice. It's exactly what I needed too. Alright, I got something in my eye and it hurts, so we're gonna try to take it out. And I actually brought my solution with me. And it's called an eye drop. I'm gonna try my best to hit my eyeball. There we go. Let's do the other eye. Come on. Alright. Alright, let's get back on it. Oh, there's a big bump right there, bro. Oh, yeah, we're in a church. Oh, I don't think you need this many picnic tables. What the heck? How do I get this other wheel up? Oh, that's gonna scratch the paint. Hit my front brake, and then we move it up. Boom. Alright, I didn't think much. How do I get this down now? Alright. Wait, I know this park. Yeah, bro, they got a park. Yo, this thing is sick. Alright, well, that's not nice. What the hell? They got pickleball. Every single park in Utah has pickleball. I mean, I'm telling you. They got baseball here, too. This is a big-ass park. Alright, let's get in. Alright, why did I come in here again? Oh, I've been here before. I made that girl scream. I scared the out of her, bro. This is a no passing zone. Hey, they were hugging the trail. I mean, is that really my fault? I waited until it was safe to pass with these yellow split lines here. And then I passed. I didn't, you know, not pass when I was supposed to. If you're gonna bike, though, be a little bit more aware. That girl, she saw me back there, but she didn't, like, inform her friend or anything that I was there. She just saw me. Is that really her fault? I could have used my bell, but I don't like using my bell. You know what I'm saying? Alright, we're gonna do my favorite thing on the grass here. But I think, honestly, I think that's it for today. So, if you did enjoy, subscribe, like, and do all this other crap. Alright, see you, bye.